Welcome to episode 1 of my Fox Body build. I really wanted to do a live talk during the walk around instead of a voiceover, but it was pretty windy that day, so there was a good chance you guys probably wouldn't have heard me anyway. Plus, I was kind of pressured for time. But this is a 1988 Mustang LX factory V8 car. I do have some future goals in mind, but I'm still working out the details on exactly which route I want to go with a few things. Also, I did notice during this walk around, for whatever reason, I didn't show the interior. So here's a couple shots of how it looked before and the condition it was in. It has been sitting in a field for quite some time, just waiting to get fixed up. So I hope you guys enjoy the time lapse on this one and tagging along while I breathe some life in this old girl.
Alright, well, I think that's going to end it for this one. I made as much progress as I could on the car. I didn't get quite everything out of the interior, but like I said, made pretty good progress. Ended up getting the dash seats, carpet, as you guys saw in the time lapse there, the door panels, everything off, out of the way. I really wanted to prioritize that once I got the car home, just because this thing was sitting in a field, multiple fields, barn, who knows what else, and was pretty dirty, as you can see. A lot of vacuuming involved. Kind of tried to do it in layers, just to help prevent more and more dirt getting to the next step of the process. But like I said, made pretty good progress here. I still have the side panels to get, the quarter panel trim pieces off, headliner. I may wait till I can get an extra hand on that, just because it's actually in really good condition. I mean, the headliner looks almost new, and everything pretty much from the windows up looks fairly untouched. So I'll probably do that next, figure out what I need to keep and what I want to keep from the wiring harness. As you can see, it's a pretty good jumbled mess right now, but it's just how it is. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it ended up having an automatic shifter, while also having 3 pedals down there. So of course that's not, something there doesn't add up. It was a factory manual car, so why they decided, a previous owner, to go auto, I'm not sure, but that's what a lot of this other wiring seems to be as well. Looks like they were trying to get that going, but didn't quite finish it up. So my plan, of course, is to still go back to manual transmission. So plan to get rid of all that stuff, like the shifter that was already in here, things like that I'm not going to keep. But I will keep making progress on this. I'll just bring you guys along and try to keep up progress as I go. A few things I won't film every time, but I'm gonna try to get a majority of it up there for everybody to see. So pretty much it on this one, and I'll catch you guys later.